All right, welcome to another BluesDay Tuesday, folks. Today I've got Pride and Joy by Stevie Ray Vaughan for you. We're going to start out with this little riff. We're going to slide from the 3rd fret into the 5th on the 2nd string, and we're going to play the little string open at the same time, so it ends up being like... And that's a down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. See how that slide is so fast that you really just hear like the 5. So now we're going to jump up here to the little 7 with the 8 on the 2nd string. Same little strum, and then this one again. Dee-dum, dee-dum. So there's a couple more of that one. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So we get into the 1 of the new measure, and then we're going to go. Okay, so we're going to slide from the 2 to the 4 and the G. And then we're going to go 2, 3, 2, like a quick one. Try to pull that off or just pick that open. Big 2 right there. So we got... Okay, and then we're going to have the easy riff for this. Here's our E7 chord, 2, 1, 3, open. The easy way to do this would be like, think about the 1 and come in with an upstroke after the 1, like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So let's try that. 2, 3, 4, 1. And 1. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now say if we're going to try that with this A7, we got the 2s with the 3 on the bottom. Let's try the same kind of rhythm. 3, 4, 1, and. Okay, and then. That's our B7. So that's our 3 chords. We got E7. You could go an easier E7 with O1, open, open. We got our A7. Kind of sounds best with this one on this song. But you could do A7 as a 2-0-2-0 as well, or 2-0-2-3. And then our B7, 1-2-0-2. Okay, so when we get into the little rhythm here, we got... Then we have this little riff. Okay, so that's a little crazy, but we'll take it nice and slow. So we got 3 of the same thing. We got that 2 to 4, typical blues phrase. 2 to 4 in the G, we got that 3 underneath it. Now we're going to take this one back. So kind of a quick one, 4-2 open to the 2. And now we have to go higher instead of lower at that point because we don't have those bass note strings. So we got 2, 4, 4, and then we're going to go. So that's 3, 4, 5 in the 2nd string, 3 and then 4 in the 3rd string, to the 3rd, to 2, 3, 2 open. So once again it was. And then 2 to open, little open, to the big one. So we got. And then we're going to slide into the 4 and the 3 with the open underneath. We got a 1 and a 2 and a... We got like triplets going in there. So we got... So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a... Hit that again. 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, so let's look at the whole thing again. E7, A7, E7, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 bow da dum bum bum ba dum bum. Okay, and then we be into the rhythm. 2 3 4 1 and A7. So there's a new little rhythm you can put in there. So we come from the E7 3 4 1. Finest wine. You mess with her. It's my sweet. So when he gets into that sweet little angel thing. She's my sweet little baby. I'm her little lover boy. Okay, so you can always kind of do that turnaround. Da, 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 da. Now there's another cool riff over here we can do on like a verse. Okay, so that would be each note you alternate with a little open one. We're gonna go 2 to the 1 on the 3rd string. Now here we're gonna go open on the 2nd string to the 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, back to that 1, so it ends up being. And then if you wanted to, you could take that up here to the A. So we're doing the 7 6 5 5. We're going little 5 is our alternate. 7 6 5 7 8 on the 2nd string. See that same stuff. Then we're back. And then we'll have our turnaround. Okay, so that's some extra little fun stuff you can do. Every now and again, he'll have a stop like, my baby, da 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 da. I'll do a little riff, ding, little open, little hammer on, kind of slide back and forth, pull off. So it's like, da 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 dee da da, and then. Okay, now let's just get into the jam part of this. So we're gonna have our E minor pentatonic scale. And if sometimes we're on that E7 chord, you can bring in that little hammer onto that 1. And it usually works best when you go up to the 1, not like down from the 1 to the open. Has a different type of a sound that way. So you can kind of add that in. Now we've also got, we can look at how we combine positions. We've also got the pentatonic flat 5th, the flat 5th note there. So we got all those notes, so let's do a little soloing. 2 3 4. I'll take one. All right, you take it. Last time. Here we'll have a stop. Okay, so what I did there is I kind of did a turnaround. Stopped on the A7. We could have done a bass or like, and then we got. So I did a slide here, 3 to 4, to open, 3-0. See that 4 right there is the same as doing that little hammer into that major note. Same thing. So when you're on that E7, you have that major G sharp note. You can add to your pentatonic notes. So it's. Then what I did here for these last 2 chords, I did 5 with 6s into the 6 with 7s, because that's an E7 type of a chord right there, E7 9. Okay, little BluesDay Tuesday. Hope y'all dug that. Pride and joy. Stevie Ray Vaughan. Talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.